Here's an ideal engine I picked up in September at the Delaware Valley Engine Show. I've been working on this engine here and there whenever I wasn't doing anything else. It's got 12-inch flywheels. I think this is a 1 3/4 horsepower engine. I hadn't seen one with the V-belt groove in the pulley before, with the V-belt pulling on the fan shaft. So I figured that was original. Also, I don't believe this engine had a mag at any time. I think it was always buzz coil. I got one set up here. Also, it was missing the latch out lever when I bought it. I just made this one up. Talked to find an original. See if you can get a look at it there. Works pretty well. I had to have the block remachined a little bit because it was pretty well worn. The lever is just a piece of 3/4 inch stainless round stock, which I drilled through 3/8 for this pin right here, which is held by the set screw, and then two 3/8 mild steel levers. See there? That's just the adjuster there. And a little back screw there. Keep it from falling into the weight. I believe this is a pretty high serial number. This is a later engine. I don't know the exact year. Came with this oiler, Detroit oiler. And it also came with the muffler. So, see if I can do a start for you. Trying to use a small vise as a tripod. That's pretty good. Doesn't do too bad. Needs adjustment though. The finger really moves some air. You can feel it. I don't know if that's a Lunkenheimer carb or not though. never seen a pot metal one before. It's just that style. I'm not sure what that bag clanking is. I don't know if it's the governor weight or what, but I get that taken care of. Walking away from me there, going downhill. That's that.